Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about another type of social media like Pinterest. This bookmark and content curation platform is called as Flipboard, where creators get an opportunity to give you website page URL, just like Pinterest. This will help you increase blog traffic just like I use for two of my blogs. You can save your time because you no need to give a design banner again and again as you have already created one for your blog. But before proceeding towards this video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep on bringing such type of videos, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am available as the Silly Social Media. Now I will click on this Flipboard. This is my interface. Now here I will tell you how this procedure works. So as you can see, make a new magazine. So you have to click on this, make a new magazine. So here you have to provide the title and description of your blog article. For example, say I will copy this title from my blog of IGTV cover photo and paste this title here. Now in the description again I will go back to my blog article and I will copy these few lines, Ctrl C, and I will paste again it here, Ctrl V. Now I will enter twice and here I will provide with couple of hashtags related to my niche. I recommend this website based@hashtags.com, and from here I will give couple of hashtags to my description. So I will copy this and paste this here and I will click on save. Okay, now as you can see, the procedure has yet not been completed because I haven't added my URL yet. So for adding URL, you have to click on this article. Click on the pencil icon at top right corner. Now flip link, here you have to enter your website page URL. For example, in my case I will click on my article, copy this URL, I will come back to this page and I will paste and add a comment. Now here you have to give a keyword related to your article topic. So in my case my article is on Instagram, so I will add Instagram as my article name and I will click on flip. Now this article has been published, but I haven't given an cover photo to this published article on Flipboard. So I will click on back button. Here you can see the cover photo has not yet been added, so click on this pencil type short icon. And on this interface, Flipboard will provide us with an option to provide a cover photo. So this cover photo is basically from the website which we use. My website cover photo is like this. So I will click on update cover. Now click on choose from my flips. So click on this and click on save. Now I will go back to my profile to see, and I will refresh this page to check out whether my cover photo has been changed or not. Okay, so now as you can see, the cover photo has been changed and my article has also been published on Flipboard, which is a bookmarking and content curation platform. So friends, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep on bringing with such amazing social media oriented videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as I am available on Instagram as Silly Social Media. So thanks for watching my video.